Hi everybody, happy Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Melissa O'Connell. I'm a Lexus Technology Specialist here at Westside and Northside Lexus in Houston, Texas. Welcome to the Lexus Virtual Classroom. Today I'm going to show you how to pair an Android phone to the Bluetooth system in your Lexus. Today we're working with the Samsung Galaxy S21 and a 2021 Lexus RX with navigation, just so you have that as a frame of reference. Your Android phone might look a little bit different, but you'll get the gist of it. Just follow along. The non-navigation models are going to follow the same steps. In fact, now most Lexus models are going to follow this same type of process. So if the system on your Lexus looks a little bit different, you can refer back to one of my older videos, or if you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to get back to you. First, let's start with the vehicle. Press your menu button. Select Setup, and then come to Bluetooth. If you've never paired a phone to your vehicle, Lexus makes it really easy with a pop-up asking if you would like to register a device. Just click Yes, then you'll be on a registration waiting screen. It's going to start searching for your phone. Our next steps are on the phone. Go ahead and open Settings. On the Android phone, you'll come to Connections. Where you see Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on and then touch right on the word Bluetooth to open the Bluetooth menu. Your device should start searching automatically. You're looking for the Lexus device name to appear. Once you see the device name, you can either select the phone's registered device name on the car screen or the car's device name on the phone screen. Just touch the words to open the device through the phone system. When you're prompted, click Pair after confirming that the passkeys match. You'll have a few other prompts pop up for other permissions like contacts, call history, messaging. Now your device is paired and you're ready to use the Bluetooth system with your Android phone in your Lexus. To confirm connection settings, you can always check paired devices and it will show you devices that are actively paired to your vehicle. You can check settings by clicking the gear. It will show all current settings, whether they are on or off. You can rename your device. If you rename the device, you're renaming the phone's device. Now, all Android phones do not have this exact same layout. You might find the rename feature in another part of your settings. So don't worry if you don't see that here. It's not a big deal. You can locate it somewhere else. If you do change the device name for your phone or your Lexus, you need to unpair, then repair your device so that it's registered correctly. You can disconnect from Bluetooth or simply turn the Bluetooth off on your phone if you'd like, or unpair. If you're having problems with your Bluetooth connection, you just need to forget the device and refresh. Once you've paired a phone, you can add a new phone or customize your preferred device settings. This is important to do if you have multiple phones paired to the vehicle and you want to make sure that one is the device that is always connected when both phones are in the car. So you would turn preferred device settings on and then choose the phone that you want the system to default to. You can also do the same for audio players. So for example, if you and your spouse are in the car together a lot, you can have the driver's phone default to the preferred phone and the passenger's phone default as the preferred audio player. Then your passenger can be the DJ if you are on a trip. If you'd like to reset the system, just select default and the default settings would be restored. Pushing our Go Back button, anytime you get a new phone, it's recommended that you remove the old phone. So you would choose Remove and then click on the name of the device that you would like to remove. And then just click yes to confirm. This is also a good thing to do if your phone pairing is not working well any longer. Sometimes our Bluetooth devices just need a fresh pairing. You want to remove the phone from the car and the car from the phone. Clear it out, turn your phone off and back on, and then repair your device. Make sure you choose Phone when you're saving a new contact on an Android phone so that the contact can be shared with the system on your Lexus. Then you're able to use voice command to make phone calls while you're driving. You can choose Just Once or Always to save your settings. Then save your contact information. If you have existing contacts on your phone and the voice command system isn't able to access them, make sure your contacts have been saved on your device so that you can have proper access in your vehicle through the Bluetooth system. Well, thank you so much for visiting us at the Lexus Virtual Classroom today. I am going to be doing a whole series of videos specific to the Android phone, so stay tuned over the next few months. We have a lot of great videos in store with tech tips and full tutorials. So if you have a Lexus and you need help learning all the buttons, bells, and whistles on your vehicle, beginning with the 2020 models and newer, we have a series of full deep dive tutorial videos just for you. If you have questions about your Lexus, don't forget to leave a comment below. Make sure to check out all of our other tech tip videos as you learn more about your Lexus. Thanks again for visiting. We'll see you next time.